How to see and delete all your sent friend requests on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and check for the Facebook application just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. Let's just search for Facebook application over here. And as you do that, here you'll be able to see that there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So just tap on open. Now make sure you are logged into your account, and after that, if you want to see and delete all your sent friend requests on Facebook, simply tap on the search bar at the top right corner of the screen. Here, search for the person that you had sent your friend requests over here. So I'm going to tap on one of these, and here as you can see, I've sent the friend request to this particular person. So I'm going to tap on the cancel request option that is available over here because this person has not accepted it yet again. So tap on cancel request and then tap on cancel request again, and there you go. You have cancelled or deleted your sent friend request on Facebook. So you have to do this for all the friend requests that you have sent. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.